on the old radio.
Yeah, you must still here.
Yo, can you still hear me alright? I'm in the multi-storey car park.
Multi-storey car park, your voice, no.
Oh, that's not too bad then. The antenna's clanking the top of the roof as well.
Fucking 30 plus now. Can't go any lower. You're up to the top of the multi-storey.
I'm inside the multi-storey at the minute. I'm not actually on top of it at the moment, just driving around it. Well, I'm not driving around it, she's driving around it. Here we go, listen to the old aerial clanking the roof now. Fucking hell. Yeah, bastard. It's getting a good banging up there.
Is she driving you round in circles?
Yeah.
Are you going round the bend? Are you going round the bend? Are you going round the bend?